And I think many times when we're looking at microgrids, we're always thinking about the reliability aspect of things, and that's what sort of kickstarts things, which completely understand. However, when you start looking at the economics and really having to make this work, you really have to start looking at, there's reliability economics of this, and then there's the efficiency opportunity. And in fact, one of the speakers on the panel before also talked about how they run their generator and they're following their thermal load. So when you think about microgrids, you're really thinking about a network that's both a thermal network and an electrical network. And it's not, and we all have heard about CHP and the efficiency of CHP, but I think what we tend to forget also is that that thermal load that's being produced for the efficiency of the CHP is also supplying to end-use buildings. And those end-use buildings aren't having to put in their own boiler. They're not having to put in their own equipment. So therefore, you're getting efficiencies not just on the supply side, but you're also getting efficiencies on the demand side. And when you look at the control systems and you look at microgrids in general, it's sort of the glue that keeps everything together. There was a few people that talked about the sustainability aspect of this too. And again, if you think about once you have a network, it brings you more opportunities of not only what you can do with technology, but maybe technology that wasn't economically available otherwise because you have that. And then lastly, the people that, I think are in tune to this, certainly, you listened to the panel before us, the owners, operators of these systems. They know very well what the efficiencies are on here. But I think there's other interesting aspects that maybe other folks that are not owner-operators and some of the ESCO companies that are looking at the different technologies, and if you think about performance contracting and whatnot, they're always looking at the efficiencies. They're looking at how can I get a payback that I can afford to install other technologies. So certainly the suppliers, the people that are out there putting this equipment in, they're very familiar with that, but I think we need to do an education process for maybe the cities and other folks that tend to focus only on the reliability aspect, but also bring the efficiency part and the sustainability part and the ability to integrate renewables in with microgrids as well.